Ever feel like conquering Minecraft just got a whole lot smoother? You boot it up, ready to dominate some PvP or delve into the deepest mines, and then, bam! Lag. Frame drops. Your pickaxe feels more like a rusty spoon. That's when you hear whispers of a savior, Lunar Client. But wait, there's a catch. Or is there? We all know the saying, there's no such thing as a free lunch. So, when it comes to Lunar Client, the question burns, does it cost money to unlock its full potential, or can you truly experience Minecraft Nirvana for free? The free stuff, a buffet of enhancements. Fear not, young miner. The good news is, Lunar Client offers a treasure trove of features completely free of charge. Let's dive into this digital buffet and see what you get without spending a dime. Performance boost, wave goodbye to lag spikes. Lunar Client optimizes your Minecraft experience, making those frames sing like a canary. FPS display, knowledge is power. Keep an eye on your frames per second and tweak settings for the smoothest gameplay. Customizable mods, spice things up. Explore a vast library of community-made mods that add new features, textures, and functionalities to your Minecraft world. Shaders, transform your world. Shaders add stunning visual effects, making your Minecraft look like a cinematic masterpiece. Macros, automate repetitive tasks. Tired of constantly crafting the same items? Macros let you streamline your gameplay. Friends list and social features, never explore alone. Connect with friends, chat, and join servers together. The paid perks, unveiling the upgrades. Now, let's talk about that tempting cape icon you keep seeing. Lunar Client does offer a premium tier, aptly named Lunar Plus. But what exactly do you get for that price tag? Here's a breakdown of the exclusive features. Cosmetics, flaunt your style. Lunar Plus unlocks a variety of capes, emotes, and chat prefixes to make you stand out in the crowd. More powerful macros, take automation to the next level. Create complex macros for intricate tasks. Friends Plus, level up your social game. See who's online, get notified when friends join servers, and enjoy additional chat features. Boost Plus, get a slight edge. Enjoy a small in-game boost to your FPS and server connection. Free versus paid, making the right choice. So, the question remains, is Lunar Plus worth the investment? Here's how to decide. The casual crafter, if you're a laid-back player who just wants to build, explore, and have fun, the free features are absolutely golden. You'll have everything you need for a fantastic Minecraft experience. The PvP Pro, for the competitive player, Lunar Plus offers some enticing advantages. Macros and a slight FPS boost can give you that edge in combat. Plus, the capes and emotes are a great way to show off your skills. The social butterfly, if connecting with friends is your top priority, Lunar Plus enhances your social experience. The bottom line. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Lunar Client offers a robust set of features for free, making it a fantastic option for casual and hardcore players alike. Lunar Plus unlocks some additional perks, but the decision of whether they're worth the price depends on your individual playstyle and priorities. Outro. So, there you have it. The truth behind the cost of Lunar Client. Remember, free doesn't have to mean basic. With Lunar Client, you can truly elevate your Minecraft experience, whether you choose to spend a dime or not. Now, get out there and conquer those digital worlds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.